In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust letter spacing here in Canva. So I have this text just here, and as we can see, the spacing between the letters is pretty close, but it's really simple to adjust this letter spacing here in Canva. So if we click onto the text, we want to come up to the toolbar up the top, which is just here, and click on spacing. Now we have the option to choose between line spacing and letter spacing. Now for this example, we want to use letter spacing. Now this is quite low on the bar, so we can see the letters are quite close. But if we go further up the bar, we can see how this starts to adjust the letter spacing in between each word. Now, or in between each letter. The further we go up the bar, the bigger the space in between these letters. So we can adjust this to however we need. So let's go to something like that. That looks great, so let's keep that there. But that's just how easy it is to adjust your letter spacing here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.